In this video, we'll show you the best washing machines for hospitals. We'll also highlight the key features that make them such good options. If you need a washing machine for a smaller hospital, then the JLA 175 is the ideal choice. With a load capacity of 80 kilograms, it has been built to withstand the demands of even the busiest on-premises laundry rooms. Plus, it has been designed to ensure that you get the fresh, clean linen you need time and time again. Alternatively, if you're looking for a slightly larger washing machine for a small hospital, then the JLA 220 is for you. Designed to carry loads of up to 100 kilograms, it's ideal for hospitals where there's a constant demand for fresh, clean linen. As well as ensuring consistent wash quality, it also provides great reliability and can run around the clock. We're also proud to offer a great range of washing machines for larger hospitals. The first of these is the JLA 700T barrier washer. This extremely efficient machine provides high-quality washes and ensures your laundry is kept clean and fresh every time. Plus, this mid-size machine is at the ideal height for trolleys, so it enables easy loading and unloading. As it's installed into the wall and serves both a loading and unloading room separately, it keeps clean and disinfected laundry away from contaminated items. Another option is the JLA 700. A large barrier washer, this machine has been designed to make light work of large volumes of laundry while also ensuring soiled and freshly washed items never come into contact. Installed into a wall, it delivers optimum wash quality and eliminates the risk of cross-contamination. If you need something even larger, then the JLA 900 is a great choice. With a capacity for up to 24-hour operation and low water consumption, it's extremely efficient and has a 90 kilogram load capacity. Like the JLA 700 and the JLA 700T, it's also installed into the wall and keeps clean linen away from contaminated linen, ensuring you meet the national healthcare standards. I hope this short video has helped highlight some of the options available to you. If you need more information, head over to our site for a detailed breakdown of how we can help. Thanks for watching.